Hey everybody, I'm Morgan. I work here at Rosa Lee, and we are a clothing store. We carry shoes, jewelry, all kinds of accessories, and we are doing something new. Okay, so Ashley used our blowout dryer brush and made a tutorial, and you can find that on our YouTube channel. I used it this morning before this video, so I'm going to unbox our 3-in-1 rose gold curling one and show you guys how to use it. So I've actually not even opened this yet. So the packaging is really cute. This is what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so I've plugged it in and I just want to show y'all the different barrel sizes. This is the first one. This is the medium size. This is the smallest. This is going to give you really tight, kinky curls. And then this is the bigger one. This is probably the one that I would use, probably both of these. And it also comes with a glove so you don't burn your fingertips off. All right, it's very easy to go back and forth between barrel sizes. You just twist this top part all the way, and it just comes off very easily. And then you just pop it back on. You have to line the prongs up in there. And then twist, and it's locked in and ready to go. We also have heat protectant spray, and you definitely want to make sure you use this. You can use this before the blowout dryer, before you do your curling one. You definitely want to make sure you do it before you put any heat on your hair because it's going to protect everything. So while that's heating up, I would just section my hair off into different layers. And there's different heat settings on this. I would not go above 375 probably because it can burn your hair and damage it. So first I'm going to spray. Okay. First I'm going to spray our heat protectant on my hair. It smells very good. Oh, and to give your hair more volume than just using the blowout brush, that gives you a lot of volume up here. But I put mousse just at the root of my hair so it gives me more volume. And I use Morocco oil to smooth out my ends. Okay, so this is the biggest barrel. And I just always curl away from my face. So if I switch to the other side, I curl it the opposite way. So curl it away from my face, and I just leave a little teeny bit out. And that is very pretty. Okay, and then for the other side, you just do the same thing away from your face. And that is so pretty. And do not run your fingers through your hair until you're completely done and you let it sit for a second. I learned that from my hairdresser. You want the heat to cool off so that your hair is set in place. Okay, definitely use the glove. I never use a glove, even though I just told y'all to. But when I used to use my old curling one, like years ago, I have so many scars from it. All over my hands, all over my shoulders from where I would just drop it. So make sure you're wearing a glove, because I just burnt my hand, and I just had to. swapped from the large barrel curl to the medium size. And this is what my hair looks like. I curled the first 2 pieces with the larger one. And this is what it looks like. It's just sort of wavy. It's got like a pretty mermaid curl. Like these would be really pretty at the beach. This is what it makes me think of. But I'm going to use this one and hopefully it will give me like a tighter curl and it will stay longer. So I'm just going to start with these back pieces. And I left out probably like an inch of every piece, so I just get like a straighter look at the bottom. I just think that is so pretty. Okay. And the pieces underneath don't have to be perfect because you can't see them as well, but the top pieces, they need to be pretty perfect, I would say. And if you have thicker hair, you definitely want to use smaller pieces so that the curl stays better and it just looks better if you use smaller pieces, I think. We're going to see which one I like more. Right now I'm going with this side, the bigger one, but I'm going to brush it out and see. And you don't have to brush it out, but I'm just going to, you can just flip your head over and bye. Okay, so I would say this side is more dressy and this is more casual. The bigger one is more casual. And also this is gonna stay longer. Like my hair will probably still be curly tomorrow if I don't wash it tonight. So I think I like the bigger one better, just because it's more calm. Okay, I love this product and I think that you guys will too. So make sure to visit shoprosalee.com and get yours.